In this video, I will guide you how you can add tokens to MetaMask. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your MetaMask and then sign in with your Face ID or passcode. Then click on the import token. But before that, make sure to select the right network in which you want to import. So let's say most of the people want to add USDT into your MetaMask. So you just need to click on import tokens and click on custom token on the top right. Now the next step will going to be searching for Etherscan into any browser that you are using, and you just need to search for USDT just like so. Now after searching for the USDT, make sure to go for the first one, which is the verified. Now after clicking on it, this is going to open up a new page which is going to look something like this, which you can also verify by the total transfers and maximum total supply. Now once you do so, you just need to scroll down until you see the other info and simply copy your address. Now after that, you can simply open up your MetaMask and paste your token contract address. So once you have pasted your token contract address, this is how it will going to look like. Token symbol which is automatically selected to USDT and token decimal which is 6. Then click on next option and then click on the import option, and your Tether USDT will be added into your MetaMask, which you can send or receive or even swap on your MetaMask wallet. So hope this helped. This is how you can add tokens to MetaMask wallet.